So hello guys, welcome to Dominator YD Gaming. So today I'm going to tell you so much players didn't know they're giving their IDs. So this is one of my bot account. Wait a minute. If you tap your profile link, we can clearly see our ID. Or else if you go to our friends, we can also clearly see our ID. So we should need to cover it. So a gamer named mechs showed one of his friends from his battle and actually exposed his ID. So this is one of my bot IDs, so that's why I'm showing you like this. I showed you my real ID, you will hack it. I'm scared, I don't know what to do, so that's why. Okay, in Mecca, I'm going to tell you the best weapons and the token exchanges about Kirana. So I use it 5. Okay, here is an event about what is this weapon name? Wait a minute. Suppressor 16. I don't know much more English. So we need to use 500k credit to fill up all this. Like that we can get 5 tokens. I used all the credits and get that. I don't know how to make event token exchange. So many gamers putting it on and getting. We can't get these weapons, so we need to try the hack of. Wait, event token exchange. Okay, this create rush is about to end in 1 week and 15 hours. We didn't use the tokens, and then the event is over. So they will change the tokens into credits or air coins. Like that we can upgrade our mechs, rank up our mechs, or else buy new mechs or weapons. So how many stars? I need 13 stars, but this is a bot account, so I don't need. Okay, here you go. This is my real account. Wait a minute. If you go to your friend's account to show him, you can also expose his ID. Or else not expose or showing his mechanic, you can also expose his ID at here. So that's why gamers should need to be careful. So this is my bot account, so I didn't need to care. Wait a minute, I will be back to Mac. I got my real account. See, I used all the credits, and I also got the tokens. So here you go. Wait a minute. Yeah, I used one, so I'm not using the other one. This suppressor 16 is one of the waste weapon. Don't try about this, because as you can see, it only makes 4,000 damage, but its max range is only 110, only plus than fractional beam. Stacking damage brain 5%. I don't know what's the meaning of brain, but it decreases our weapon damage. So, but still we can shoot him. So that's why weapons like revokers, number guns, missile racks. Missile racks are much more powerful, but with implements and the pilots and its ability, can easily kill him. It can also decrease the ability aside once. My kill shot can take 34k, but after that drain damage to level 3, level 1 or 2, I don't know, it goes to 26k. So it also works on kill shots and stalker while using its ability in other mechs like Tengu, slingshot, like. So today I'm going to play as a bot member. So let's go. Let's play Counter Flash. It's a bot account. Sorry for making you like this. Wait a minute. You're running into the match. Okay, let's go. I'm nervous. I don't know what to do. I'm not like that. Okay. Oh, no player. Easy peasy, bro. Easy and peasy. Yeah, boy. Yeet. What? Bro, this is terrible.
First blood.
A-bots, these are the names of A-bots. You can easily know is it an A-bot. I can know this is an A-bot. We can need to... Wait a minute. They can't shoot us currently, but they only use less weapons. They put snipers to Arcanos, slow mechs. And Ember guns to Arcanos, like that, those are true, those are A-bots. Sometimes with attackers, they'll put the most attacking weapons. What? Starkers are so powerful, guys. No. Oh my god, bro, this is struck. Wait! Thank god, I don't reach heaven. Wait a minute. Wait on a second. Yep, what? Oh no. Thank god, I missed the shot. Yep, what? No. What?
Well done.
Bro, I didn't even got 10k. No, bro, no. Yeah.
Humiliation.
Even the pulse cannon will kill me. Single strike, single death. Reach heaven. No. Oh, I can barely manage.
Ghost.
Wait a sec. Double kill.
Unstoppable.
Yep, what?
Humiliation. Double kill.
Yeah. I'm reaching heaven. See?
Victory imminent.
With only one implement, Sniper Lancer is entering the world.
You have 2 minutes remaining.
Sniper shooter. Wait, what? Whoa. See, he missed the shot easily. Even my grandma will kill it. So like that, those are called A-bots. Wait a minute. It's hanging. Shoot. Yay.
Identified.
Let's go. Actually, snipers are better to jumping max and the missile and exploders. Their defense like that are better to jumping max, not the Tengu like Lancer and Linchewing. I got 2 legendary skins for Linchewing. You should have to hit the subscribe. Wait, and today's topic is nothing but best weapons. I am going to show you one of the best weapons in every player unlocks at least 2 tier 5. So don't buy this. What is this? Fragment gun 12. That is a waste one. Don't buy Quantum gun 10 also. But you should buy Quantum gun 8 at the back tire. Not Jalan Rack 6. Now we can barely buy Disc Launcher 8 and Pod Gun 8 and Viper 8. We can get them with credits. And C1 turrets also unlocked, but we can't buy it on tier 5. So at the barrages, you can buy Nade Launcher 10 instead of Spray Launcher 10. Buy Spray Launcher 6, but don't buy Spray Launcher 10. Instead, buy Nade Launcher 10. Because Nade Launcher makes more damage than Spray Launcher. Spray Launcher, wait, I will show you. See, it's 41. Even if it's rank 5, this weapon could beat it. See? So Nade Launchers are better. With a little Spray Launcher 6. You can freeze them and kill them with these weapons. So that's why. Putting them to stalkers or guardians. You can barely buy this mech. Don't buy Cheetah. It's one of the dumbest mech in Mech Arena. Next, don't buy Aegis. Aegis looks like slower but faster because its shape seems as too slower. And then it only has 10, 10, 10, triple 10. Durability is next level. Buy Redeemer. It's one of the best mech. It has a backtrack timer of 10 seconds. You just only have to move anywhere, but not stop. If you stop, the ability will waste. My next target is to buy the Revoker 10. I need 3 stars to the next tire. After that all, 2 stars will require to this tire. And then I can bought Brick House. Brick House is not a dumb bag, but it's so slower. That's the thing. It has the speed of Arcanos. You can see Arcanos is also 14 kilometers per hour. Even Guardian is much more better. Where is it? Yeah. Guardian is 2 kilometers per hour best. But this guy can help our team to kill. Team bonus damage 100%. Our mech bonus damage only 50%. So if you are playing with friends or with normal, you can need to choose this mech. If you are playing a team player, you should need to choose this mech. Team player needs mechs like this one and this one into your hangar, and this one is these will cost you 3 and wait a minute, 3 4 5. Yes, finish. And other teams will wear other mechs. I don't know. Wait, proceed, bro. Zapway it with javelin rocket. It's too dumb. Wait a minute. I think we are entering the battle. Okay.
3, 2,
Let's
1.
just kill shot.
Go. Let's get
Yeah,
this started.
boy. Okay, here's Morgan Danny. He's a dumb one. Wait a minute. How many players? 3 players, 2 bots. Okay, he's a bot player, so that's why he's giving me high. Wait a minute. Bro, what the chicken egg you're? Wait a minute, sorry. Yeah, boy. Shoot this. Wait a second. He didn't see me. He reaches hell, bro.
Identified.
How do you like the taste of hell? Okay. My pita. Wait, pita means bird. He's one of the dumbest mech that I ever know. No 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 no. I barely escaped. Mech Arena should put our teammates above the range also between him to me. I shot him! I shot him! No! My phone is just handy. Oh, he has reload. Let's choose. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Sniper X! Lancer! What? What? No, 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 no. Wait, Bryce, where is what is this? Whoa, Bryce, where? I don't know. Let's go to there, bro. Yeah, what? Jumpy jumper, Lancer. Wait on a minute. Oh, I missed out the bullets. I'm so lucky.
Fire.
Yeah, boy.
Reloading. Cover me.
Wait, is it the barrage? Barrage choppers are so powerful. Those are like javelin racks. So that's why we need to choose Rylock. Oh, airbots can overdriver and slavier. Let me reload. Wait. Oh, we actually died.
You have 2 minutes remaining.
Let's go to there. Hide, hide, hide. Okay, where is he? If it is EM replay, I will show the hell. Wait, 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 wait. Yeah, what? Whoa, whoa. Okay, let's use my chat. Equal. Go, 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 go. Yeah, what?
Identified.
What? Where is he? Oh, no, 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 no.
There is 1 minute left.
What? I did all the damage. No, 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 no.
Incoming fire.
War driving. War driving. Let me fetch that guy. Oh my god! I nearly missed him.
30 seconds remaining.
No, 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 no. Those are my fishes. I need to get them. You, man.
You have won the match.
He just stole my fishes. Oh, this is not an airbot. It's a player. Those who don't have name, do have. Is it having his name for years? Okay, let's play one more match. Sorry, waiting for you. Now guess it. Which hacker did I'm going to play? Guess it, guys. Guess it. Give away 1 rupee. What? No one answers. So, another one. I'm playing with one of the undone hanger. My original hanger. Okay, wait on a second. Okay, I think we reached the match. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I only have 11 subscribers. Please help. I need help. Help. Yeah. Okay. Wait a minute. Is he Takuwake? Please subscribe to his channel. Wait. Bro. Go heaven. No. Yeah, but we're reaching heaven now. You are reaching heaven. Heaven, reach heaven. What? Is it fair? This is actually kinda sus.
Humiliation.
Where is he?
Well done.
I found that fish, nothing to be worried. Oh, he actually died.
Incoming fire.
Lady Bolt 2. It's just a normal Pinky Panky Guardian. Nothing music wrong. Reach heaven with me!
Killing spree.
Yeah. What?
Well done.
What?
Double KO.
What?
Well done.
Goodness. Yeah. Something is kinda sus. Don't use it. Don't use the kill shot ability.
Revenge.
Serious fight. Kill shot win. Yay! What? No. How did he die?
Humiliation. Well done. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he has water content. Not bad, bro. It's an airbot. Oh, player is also spawned. Whoa. Yeah, bro. Easy money. Wait, let him cook. I want to him cook. No, 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 no.
Opening fire.
No, bro, no, bro. He's also like me. What? But I have the most powerful mech. Something was. No, 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 no.
Incoming fire.
No, 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 bro, 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 bro.
Damage.
She's going to reach hell. How's the taste of hell?
Well done.
It's not hell, it's disclosure. Home wreck! Yeah, what? Killshot can easily dodges it. Wait on a second. He's coming to me! Nah, bro. Wait. Is it about to reload? No!
Incoming fire. Critical damage.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What? I only won one round. Nothing to worry. Ooh. Okay, it's about to work.
2,
What
1.
happened? What? I really wasted my weapons. No, 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 bro, no, no. What? No, bro. What? Wait on a second. Is it Panther? Yeah, it's Pam.
3,
Hey, Pam, take the Pam. What? No, bro, he actually killed me. It's time to get serious. Final destination. Yeah, bro, I know, the pilot. It's a race. It's a right. No, 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 it's not a race. It's a G's. What? No, he's actually coming to me. I need to reload it. No, 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 bro, bro, bro. He killed me. Kill shot time, bro. You are reaching the taste of. Wait, wait. Yeah, it will reload. It will reload. It has 11 seconds. What? Bro, he's about to spawn it here. He's about to spawn. Go. Yes. Escape plan success. Yeah, I know. It's Zapper about the pilot.
fire. New identified.
No, bro, don't come near. 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 No, 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 no. He's hacked. This guy's hacked. The only player in the arena. What? I easily dodged it. Yes, one picture right. Yes, it's an easy piece. That means bird. Double takedown bird. I think he's going to next to where
3,
the.
2, 1.
Let's take it easy. Those are what? It's a bot mech. I actually need to kill him. Wait, no. Yes. No, bro, no. Yes. Let's draw the match.
Well done. 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Draw.
Not even both of them. Even is win. Yeah, but MVP is ours. He's wearing the skin of Siege Army. Okay, guys. It's so much of time. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's see the another video. See you soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye. See you soon.